You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this Korean name? A Korean surname generally. This is actually very common in Korea. The Korean pronunciation is Seo. So yes, you could pronounce it in English just like the past tense of the verb to see. I saw a flower yesterday. Saw is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.